Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the top 5 car radio transmitters that will enhance your in-car experience by providing seamless audio streaming and fast charging. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. LUTU C9S Car Radio Transmitter. The LUTU C9S Car Radio Transmitter is a compact and elegant device that brings several convenient features to your car. It is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 for stable audio playback and hands-free calling. What stands out with this transmitter is its fast charging capabilities. With USB QC 3.0 and Type-C PD30W ports, it ensures your devices stay charged while you enjoy your music. The transmitter supports various audio formats, including MP3 and WAV, and comes with full-frequency FM wireless transmission. The LUTU C9S also features 7 colorful atmosphere lights that add a fun, romantic touch to your driving experience. You can also use the device for voice navigation through your preferred map applications. With multiple safety features such as overcharge and short-circuit protection, this transmitter is built with safety in mind. It is suitable for cars, SUVs, and trucks with 12V, 24V voltage. Number 4. LUTU C1 Car Radio Transmitter. Next, we have the LUTU C1 Car Radio Transmitter. This model offers nearly the same benefits as the C9S, but in a more compact design. With Bluetooth 5.3, it allows for easy music streaming and hands-free calling. The LUTU C1 supports multiple audio sources, including Bluetooth, UDisc, and even TF cards. The device also comes with colorful ambient lights, which elevate the aesthetics of your car interior. Similar to the C9S, the LUTU C1 also supports fast charging with a 15W charging output via USB and Type-C ports. Plus, you'll appreciate the voice navigation support for most map apps, making your drive both entertaining and practical. The LUTU C1 ensures a smooth audio experience with its high-resolution stereo, providing clear, lossless sound. With its full FM range and a user-friendly interface, this is a great option for anyone looking to enhance their car's audio system. Number 3. Baseus Car Radio Transmitter. The Baseus Car Radio Transmitter is a standout option with its Bluetooth 5.0 functionality. This transmitter allows you to easily connect your smartphone to the car stereo system, providing high-quality audio playback with a stable connection. One of the most notable features is the ability to charge 2 devices at once with its dual USB ports that offer a total of 3.4A output. This is perfect for those who need to charge their phone or tablet while listening to music or taking calls. The Baseus Car Radio Transmitter supports various audio formats, such as TF cards, USB discs, and even AUX cables. In addition to music streaming, it also supports hands-free calling and navigation, making your car ride safer and more convenient. The full FM range guarantees you can easily tune in to your favorite radio stations. Number 2. APWIKOGER GC16 Car Radio Transmitter. The APWIKOGER GC16 Car Radio Transmitter offers a perfect combination of high-end features and user-friendly performance. It is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and supports various audio formats such as MP3, WAV, and FLAC, providing lossless audio quality. It has an FM frequency range of 87.5 to 99.9 MHz and can stream music from Bluetooth, TF cards, or UDiscs. What sets the GC16 apart is its support for fast charging. With QC 3.0, FCP, and AFC protocols, this transmitter supports super-fast charging for your devices, including those from brands like Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo. The APWIKOGER GC16 also offers a compact design and includes safety features such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensuring both your car and devices stay safe. Number 1. Xummen Car Radio Transmitter. Finally, the Xummen Car Radio Transmitter takes the top spot on our list. This transmitter is packed with impressive features that make it an excellent choice for any driver. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and stable audio streaming and hands-free calling. The Xummen Car Radio Transmitter stands out with its impressive charging capabilities, featuring a PD30W Type-C port and a 12W USB-A port, allowing you to charge 2 devices at the same time. Whether you're charging your phone or tablet, it ensures rapid charging without reducing the power for either device. Additionally, This transmitter has an FM frequency range of 88.1 to 107.9 MHz, giving you flexibility in tuning into your favorite radio stations. It also supports TF cards and USB flash drives for music playback, ensuring you never run out of options. The Xummen car radio transmitter includes multiple safety features like overvoltage protection and overcurrent protection, ensuring peace of mind during use. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.